All right, this is question number 35 on the January 2017 Algebra 2 Regents. And what we have here is a conditional probability problem. The guidance department has reported that of the senior class, 2.3% are members of the Key Club. We'll call that K. 8.6% are enrolled in AP Physics, P, and 1.9% are in both. So let's decode that. That means that the probability of K is 0.023. The probability of P is 0.086. And then the probability of K and P is 0.019. And the question is, determine the probability of P given K. So there is an equation for that. Probability of P given K, the vertical line is a notation for given, is the probability of P and K divided by the probability of just K. So let's fill that in. By the way, I've written here K and P, and this in P and K. They are the same. That just means it's the probability of both at once. So this is going to be 0.019. We're going to divide that by the probability of K, which is 0.023. So let's do that. And we get 0.826086. So why don't we just go with 0.826? And it does say to the nearest tenth of a percent, so we can convert that to 82.6%. Now the question reads, the principal would like a basic interpretation of these results. Write a statement relating your calculated probabilities to student enrollment in a given situation. Well, this means that the probability of P given K, meaning we are given that somebody's in the Key Club. Their probability of being in AP Physics is 82.6%, and this alone is a perfectly fine statement. Now we can make a couple of extra different statements here. First of all, if we have a probability of someone being in AP Physics at 8.6%, but if they're in the Key Club, that probability rises to 82.6%. We could say that 82.6% of students that are in the Key Club are in AP Physics, but we could also then make the statement that people that are in the Key Club are a lot more likely to be in AP Physics, because if they are in the Key Club, they have an 82.6% chance of being in AP Physics. Like if I randomly select a student out of the Key Club, it's almost certain that they'll be in AP Physics. But if I randomly select a student from somewhere in the school in general, there's a pretty small chance that they'll be in AP Physics. So there's that. But this is a perfectly fine conclusion here as well. I would certainly like to introduce the likelihood, the fact that somebody in the Key Club is more likely to be in AP Physics, into my answer as well. You can add that to our basic interpretation. The key word there is basic interpretation. We don't have to go too crazy with it.